Hi friends, this is Vicki with Grandma Vicki Crafts, and I'm just jumping on quick today just to show you that I did get the top of my fireplace decorated. I used a duster that I got from the Dollar Tree. There's 3 little dusters that come in this little pack, and I just used one and I just pulled it apart a little bit to make the bottom for the top of my mantle. Then I have got the 3 bottle brush trees that I also got at the Dollar Tree, plus the little church. And I've got fairy lights that I've intertwined all in and around. I've even stuck them in the back of the church to make it look like the lights are on in the church. Then the battery pack is just around the back, and it's just sitting on the table behind so you don't see it. Then I made 2 little Santa stockings out of a little Santa sock that I also got from the Dollar Tree. I just cut it up and made 2 little small stockings. I put a little candy cane in each of the stockings and stuck it on to the front of the fireplace. So I think it turned out pretty cute. So if you like this, please give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And again, thanks for watching, and always remember to be kind. Bye now.